Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican cornbread. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. You'll need 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget 1 cup of whole milk, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Also, prepare 1 cup of corn, 1/2 cup of diced jalapenos, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs, then stir in the milk and melted butter. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture, stirring just until combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Finally, fold in the corn, jalapenos, and shredded cheese, distributing them evenly throughout the batter. It's time to bake our delicious cornbread. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, generously grease a 9-inch cast iron skillet or an 8x8-inch baking dish. Pour the prepared batter into the hot skillet, spreading it evenly. Bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The top should be beautifully golden brown and slightly firm to the touch. Once baked, remove your Mexican cornbread from the oven and let it cool in the skillet for about 10 minutes. This allows it to set properly and makes for easier slicing. Serve it warm as a side dish with chili, soup, or any Mexican-inspired meal. You can also garnish with fresh cilantro or a dollop of sour cream for extra flavor. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade cornbread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.